Number 5. Hey everyone! Welcome to another exciting video from PC Gamer. Today, we're gonna be taking a closer look at the new Alienware Aurora R11. The Aurora R11 is the latest desktop PC from Alienware, and it's packed with features that make it a great gaming machine. The R11 is powered by up to 10th generation Intel Core processors and up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series GPUs for incredible performance. It also has up to 64 GB of dual-channel HyperX DDR4X MP memory, so you can get the most out of your gaming experience. On the outside, the R11 has a sleek and stylish design that looks great on your desktop. It comes with two pre-installed 120mm cooling fans for maximum airflow. And you can also add up to 4 additional cooling fans for even better performance. And with its toolless design, you can easily upgrade and customize your PC's components. The Aurora R11 also has plenty of ports to connect all your peripherals, including for USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, to USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, and one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port. Number 4. Introducing the MSI Trident X101282S small form factor gaming desktop. The perfect machine for serious gamers. This gaming desktop packs a punch with an Intel Core i9-10900K 10-core processor and RTX 3080 GPU, delivering amazing performance even during intense gaming sessions. Along with this, you get a whopping 32 GB of RAM, so you can easily multitask and run multiple applications at once. You'll also get plenty of storage, with two 1TB SSDs in RAID 0, offering you enough space for all your games and other content. On the outside, this PC is sleek and stylish, with its all-black design and RGB lighting. It also features a translucent side panel, so you can show off the internals, and has an RGB power button and MSI Mystic Light Sync, so you can customize your lighting setup. The MSI Trident X101282S small form factor gaming desktop also offers great connectivity, with an array of ports, including 3x USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, 2x HDMI 2.1 ports, 2x DisplayPort 1.4 ports. Number 3. Introducing the new Dell G5 gaming desktop. This powerful gaming rig is perfect for gamers of all levels. With up to 8th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, up to 32 GB DDR4 RAM, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2066 GB graphics card, this desktop can run even the most demanding games. You can also upgrade to the optional Intel Optane memory, which helps improve system performance and responsiveness. The Dell G5 gaming desktop also includes plenty of storage space. It has a 3TB 7200 RPM hard drive and a 512 GB SSD, so you can store all your games, music, movies, and other media. The Dell G5 has plenty of ports, including a USB Type-C port for USB 3.1 ports, two USB 2.0 ports, a headphone jack, an HDMI port, and a DisplayPort. You can also connect multiple monitors with the HDMI and DisplayPort connectors. And if you're looking for a great gaming experience, the Dell G5 gaming desktop has you covered. It comes with a Dell Gaming backlit keyboard and a Dell Gaming optical mouse, so you can get the most out of your gaming sessions. Number 2. Are you ready to experience the world's most powerful gaming desktop? Introducing the new Alienware Aurora R10 gaming desktop. With the latest AMD Ryzen and NVIDIA GeForce graphics, the Aurora R10 will transform your gaming experience. Whether you're playing the latest AAA title or streaming your favorite Twitch streams, you won't miss a beat. The Aurora R10 is designed for the most demanding gamers with the 8-core AMD Ryzen processor You'll have more than enough power to take on any challenge. And with up to 64 gigabytes of RAM, you'll never run out of memory. Plus, the Aurora R10 is equipped with the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series graphics, so you can experience the latest games in all their glory. The Aurora R10 also offers a range of ports to keep you connected, with multiple USB ports, HDMI DisplayPort, and more. You can easily plug in your gaming peripherals and other devices, and if you're looking for a more immersive experience, the Aurora R10 also has virtual reality capabilities. Number 1. Welcome to the ROG Strix GA15. This premium gaming desktop is designed to provide an unbeatable gaming experience. No matter what game you're playing, the GA15 is packed with gaming-grade components and features, like a 9th Gen Intel Core processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, and up to 64 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. With enough power to take on the latest PC games, the GA15 can keep up with the most demanding gaming sessions, in addition to its powerful hardware. The GA15 is also loaded with features that make gaming easier and more enjoyable. It has plenty of ports for connecting your gaming peripherals, as well as support for up to 3 displays. This allows you to set up an immersive gaming setup, with plenty of room for multiple monitors and peripherals. On the outside, the GA15 looks just as awesome as it performs. It sports an aggressive, cyberpunk-inspired design with customizable RGB lighting, so you can personalize it to fit your unique gaming style.